Okay, excuse how I look, but Elena's sick. She has a fever. All last night she was super hot, and I thought it was because it was just hot in here. But I took her temperature today, and she has a temperature of like 100.5. So I don't know. Camila doesn't seem very sick, but she's warm too. I don't know. They've never been sick yet. It makes me sad. I think Elena's more sick than Camila though. The poor baby. So now I'm debating, like, should I bring them to the doctor or do I wait? I don't know. What should I do? I think I'm gonna give them Tylenol and then see. Oh my gosh, Camila grabbed the phone. That's so cute. I'm gonna give. Oh my goodness, Camila. I'm gonna give them some Tylenol and then see how they do. Yeah, Camila, you have something to say? You just want to be the star of the show? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. They absolutely hate this, but I don't know what else to do. I feel so bad. I don't know if it's that they're teething or they just have a cold or what, but I don't like seeing my baby sick. And they were so hot last night. Like, I thought it was just hot in here or because they had too many clothes on, but I don't know. Here go, honey. Nami. Nami. Oh, she's doing good this time, actually. Nami. Oh, you're doing so good. Nami. And of course, we have to wash it down. They do not like the taste. Also, we went trick-or-treating, and like, I feel guilty eating their candy because I know they can't eat candy yet, so I'm letting them play with it. Because I don't know, I feel bad eating it because it's theirs. They got it. So Camila's playing with the candy.